So in this we see how to increase this voice chat volume in Roblox. Okay, first go to Roblox and go to settings, and here you can see the volume and output device and input device are there. So here you need to check. So here you can increase the volume and the output device. You need to set the output and input device same drive. Yes. So this how to increase the volume in Roblox settings, and also you need to increase in PC side. So go to settings. This is on more settings. Go to system settings, and here you can see sound setting is there. Click the sound settings, and here you can see the output and input. Here you can see and also see the volume mix. Yes, go to click volume mix, and you can see the volume. It should be in 100 percentage, and the output drive and the input drive. You can see the speaker and microphone. This same should be in your Roblox settings. Okay, keep in mind this not be interchange, and also the Roblox. Yes, the Roblox here you can see the volume should be in 100 percentage, and the output device and input device should be in default. So these are the two methods and two ways to how to increase this voice chat volume in Roblox. So this how to increase this Roblox. So after that restart your PC. Thank you.